Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And before we start, I just wanted to draw attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So let's open the settings in the right upper corner and then go to more settings. Scroll down to the very bottom, like that, and tap on restore defaults. Tap on confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.